notes. I'll do it in a different way.
So much paper.
Okay. So you couple of things you already know in a string. Okay. Let's see what we don't know. So you know that a string is immutable sequence. What is immutable sequence? Which we cannot change, right?
Yeah.
Suppose that we are creating some string.
Sir, I don't think you're sharing your screen.
Sorry, I am recording but not sharing. We have to record, we have to share, right?
Yeah.
So a string is what? A string is a sequence of characters, right? A string is a sequence of characters.
Yeah. Sir, I
And
think this notebook is already uploaded, right?
yeah, we already have asked, I already have asked you multiple times to go through this, but anyway, let's go through
I
together.
think I slightly went through this, not fully though.
Okay, fine. So this immutable thing, you know, we cannot change. Like suppose that I want to make something like this, 0 equal to, this is called immutable, right? It will give you either. So it does not support item assignment. So this is called immutable.
So you cannot assign you cannot assign an element to an index.
No, that is what it means. Now
Okay.
coming to the something called Unicode points. Okay. I think strings are immutable sequence of Unicode points. Actually, what happens in in any programming when we write something in the back, what happens that will be converted to some ASCII code or Unicode. Okay. So what happens? Like let me check. Let me tell you. A. Suppose that you write somewhere A, B, C, A, B, C. So internally, for the memory, you know that everything will be in the 0 and 1 form. Computer doesn't understand this language. Internally, it will convert to the binary form. So A
Yeah.
will be understood as 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So it is
So how do you
1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. So like that. You get my point?
Yes, sir.
So likewise, Yarandeep, go ahead.
Sir, how do you know that? How do you know A is that?
What I know.
How do you know that's the binary code for A?
This is known, this is 65 actually, binary code of 65.
Oh,
This is
okay.
known thing. Yeah, we'll print this, I guess, somewhere in the
So,
below.
so sir, is there a binary code for alphabets?
Yeah, for all whatever you see here, on anything what you see in the computer, everybody has each and everything, whatever see on your computer monitor, write, type, anything, all will
Okay.
have some Unicode or ASCII code. Everything, in each language, Japanese, French, Chinese, Telugu, Tamil, Punjabi, whatever language, all whatever you can type in the computer, that will have some Unicode. Each character will have some Unicode. Okay. So see here, what you see, this is called actually ASCII code. Okay. What I typed here, this is the ASCII code. Slightly more advanced form is the Unicode. Here in ASCII code, in total, we have only 256 characters. What mostly whatever you see in the computer, okay, that, and apart from that, we have some other character which you can check here in character map. See, these all will have some Unicode. You can check a bit. If you select some language, see, particular language, it will have some alphabet and its Unicode will be there.
So how
Okay.
do you open that thing?
Sorry,
How do you open the character map?
just type here character map. This is the window facility. I don't know about Mac. See here, character set. You want to see Unicode or some other, you can see here all options you have. So internally, it will consider the Unicode. And that looks like this. See, U plus 004F for this one. So everything, whatever you type here, you can see they will have some Unicode. Suppose A, let us see. It looks like 61. So the Unicode is 61 here. So it should be, I guess, 16.6 ja. How much? 16.6 ja 96 plus 197 is the A. This is the hexadecimal number actually. Do you see this? Can you see here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this Unicode is in hexadecimal format. It is written 16 Sigia. Like if you convert this 61 from hexadecimal to decimal, it will be 97.
So, sir, does the computer have like hexadecimal? Does it convert it into hexadecimal or is it?
Yeah, in the back it will be converted. It will be whatever you type in the back it will be converted to hexadecimal, and from there it will convert to binary, and then it will work. Okay. So now you know that we have English 26 letter. Each character is a symbol. All will have some kind of Unicode here. You can see. Suppose that, and this is what I have shown you there in character map. U plus followed by some hexadecimal will give you the Python Unicode. Suppose that when you write Python is easy, print. So each letter will have some Unicode. P has something like 0, U plus 0050, U plus 0079. So these all are the hexadecimal numbers in Unicode format. Okay. Suppose that for any character you want to see what is its code, right? Just now you asked Randeep here. So I told you this 65 and see how to check that. If you type this function odd function and type, if you want to get Unicode for that any character, just type here, you'll get the Unicode. See,
Okay, yeah.
you got it?
Yes, sir.
Actually, it's not Unicode, it's ASCII code. Because if you check the 0 will be 48, 48, sorry. I said Hindi actually to you.
I know Hindi too, so you don't need to
Okay,
worry.
this is 48. See, for 0 it will be 48, so 6 will be 54. You got it? I said you in Hindi 48.
So
It
what's
comes
happening
automatically
when
actually.
you input the character and the
Yeah, you'll
binary
get the
code are
ASCII. This is the ASCII code you'll get. If you want to get Unicode, this is the way we need to get.
U plus, what do you do? Char is equal to, oh my days, why do you have to do so much?
You don't have to. So character is A. You need to write odd, char, like ordinary. We are getting actually ASCII value only here. And that one we are printing in this format. The Unicode of this is Unicode like this format they are printing. Eventually,
Sir, I have one
this is not
question.
the
I
correct
have one
format. This is
question.
ASCII code actually. Ah, don't ask me much question.
Me too,
Yeah,
sir.
Sir,
tell
I'm
me,
gonna
tell
kill
me,
you.
tell
Okay,
me.
sir, how do you type that thing in the bold? The one about getting a Unicode. Getting
This,
Unicode.
this one,
No, go above, sir.
this one, this one.
Double
Yes.
quote. Yeah, double
Oh, okay, okay. I'll tell you. Both of you are asking questions.
quote.
See, cell type we had to convert into markdown. Like suppose I'll show you how I'll did it.
Okay.
I'll type something. This is a comment line in R markdown. This is called R markdown format. Okay. So what I will go just I'll make it go to cell type, which I didn't see menu. This cell menu was not there on the MacBook that day. So this became this. Now what I will do just I'll make type hash, double hash. It will become bold and run it. If
Okay.
I'll make it single hash, this will be bigger format font. If
If you
I'll,
do four hashes,
it will be much smaller.
oh, so the more hashes you do, the smaller it gets.
Yeah, but there is some limitation how many hashes are allowed. I guess
Like do like six,
this maximum 4 is there. See,
I think five.
yeah, six I can see. 6 hashes are there. Okay.
Okay. Okay, I think Jenny has another question too.
Yeah, Jania, go ahead.
Sir, what is in the print? What is F?
I was gonna
This
ask.
one is a printf format. Na, like I didn't cover that. I don't
Sir, you
want to
gotta teach
cover
us that.
actually.
You gotta teach us that too.
Yeah, come on. I'm not going to make you Python expert in this short time period. You are just becoming greedy. Okay, where is F by the way?
In print, sir. In print.
This F
Inside
or
print. No, inside print.
oh this one. Okay, okay, this one.
Yeah, right there. This one.
So actually when you write when you write F here, It has some specific format. It works in this, like when you write f, okay, you give some double quote like this, and any variable value you want to print, you just put into this. Like, let me show you. X equal to 5, print, and I'll write f, value of x is like this, I'll write. So then it will automatically print the value of x. So these are kind of inspired from C language. I don't want to speak the name of C because Randeep has told me this one very strictly. Don't speak anything about any any other language apart from Python. Did you
Yes,
get
sir.
the Janya? So in
Yes, sir,
C,
getting.
something is called printf is there. So if you write something f here and then you write something, and if you want to print the value of that, this is another way you can print the value of that
Okay.
variable in the. If you have more
Oh,
variable,
without just comma, you just do this.
yeah, right.
Without, okay,
Suppose
I'm
that you
gonna
have
do
more.
this now.
See, this is the problem. You are learning more in less money.
Mm.
You got it?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
same thing it is done here. Like what it is doing, it is printing the value of this char. Yeah, okay. And then it is again some strings are appearing here in this format. And then again value or Unicode. This is another variable. And here we are telling how many characters we want to print. If I'll make it 6, then it will print, it will add some zero here. So these are the formatting thing. Like I don't want to
Okay,
cover
sir.
everything to confuse you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So just I wanted to show you like how Unicode you can see, and each character will have some Unicode. If you run this code, you put any character what you know, and you want to check the ASCII or Unicode of that, you can get that. Okay.
So you should give us an assignment where we have to print the Unicode of every.
No, they will.
Every-
Nobody is going to give assignment on this. I don't give you much assignment on this. Let us cover the what is essential. Otherwise, I'll keep on teaching Python. It will never end. It will never end 1 year. So couple of things see you must be aware of, but let us revise it quickly. Generally, see when you write any number, okay, this is a number. If I want to know which data type it is, okay, so for that we use some function called type function, okay. So type function, what it will do, it will give you, if you have any value, any variable, if you type inside, it will tell you which data type, which class it belongs to. Okay, what is class? Class is kind of data. It tells the type of data here, like built-in data type, you can say. So int is a built-in data type. So class gives you the type of data. Okay. So type here I'm just printing how this which type of 999 is. So it is giving int. But suppose that I want to print type of 9.2522. It will give you float. If I'll add print, it will add the class and all those things. It gives more information. Got it?
So can you ask it for the type for imaginary numbers?
Yeah. So why not? See.
So just considering it a complex number.
Yeah. See,
Can
it's
you ask it for the like the type of negative square root?
negative square root. How to type that? Tell me.
So 2
Hmm. The power.
to the power.
Yeah.
No, actually negative 2. No, 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 no. It's not like that, sir.
Tell me.
2 to the power negative 2 is flipping. Negative 2
Hmm.
to the power 1.1. I mean, negative 2 to the power 0.5. Negative 2 to the power 0.5. Yeah.
So what will happen? It will evaluate this expression, and final value whatever it will give some kind of float value. So it will give you float
No,
because
remove the
this
two times and then put a bracket around negative 2 and see what's going to happen.
it will again give the same because this will evaluate the expression first, then it will give you the type.
Oh, okay. It doesn't care about the answer.
No.
Dang it. It's defying all the math properties.
Yep, you're right. You got it. See, couple of things you know how to create a simple strings. Either you can create it using single quote, or you can create using double quote. Eventually, you can create using triple single quote and triple double quote also. Right? The beauty of this You know this eventually. Triple single quote or single double triple single quote or triple double quote, you can write multi-line string. And this you know this, right? Hello. This is another multi-line string. So see here, let's see how does it look like. Because I have given a space here, all this space is also printed here.
Mhm. Okay. Oh, yes.
Okay. So here is the same thing what I said you here. I'm a researcher, come teacher, I enjoy teaching. I didn't find anything as rewarding as empowering people. It's not fact. Don't take it literally, okay? I don't feel anything like this. There's nothing of my feeling. Just understand this is a string. You got my point. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
you
I
guys
got
are
it.
not understanding.
No, sir.
You got this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Just think
we
that this
got
is just
it.
some string. Don't take it, don't think this is my opinion, okay? It's
Okay.
not my feeling here.
Okay. Sir, you
Yeah.
don't have to stress so much on that. It makes it too obvious.
So so these are an example of multi-line string. Either you can use triple time, single quote, opening and closing. It is same thing using
I
double
think you
quote,
taught us
triple.
this already.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. Most of the thing I already covered earlier. Now something like this is also covered. You have some, but this one is first time you are going to see. Suppose that you have some string and it automatically does unpacking of characters. Suppose that I have here 6 variables, right? So if I'll put 6 variables separated with comma and put this variable name, then automatically it will put one character on each variable like this. This is the beauty of Python actually. Okay.
But this is not available in any other language.
No, I till now whatever language I learned, I don't know. In some new language which I don't know, it may have this kind of thing.
So this is like indexing.
Yeah, this indexing, whatever you know in the list, same thing it applies. Only difference is in list you have seen some numbers here. Here you can see some characters. That's all. There is no difference in that. Okay.
And can we go backward?
Yeah,
Like
yeah, yeah. See here, backward
we,
indexing. Everything, whatever you learned in list, everything you can apply here.
Sir,
So
every
yeah.
string is not a number, but every number is a string, right?
I cannot say that. Every string is a number in the back eventually. It's just opposite.
No, for
But
viewers,
by default, whatever you input any number or okay, like if I'll put something inside double quote, then it becomes a string. That's you like you'll realize slowly this thing. This is not a string, right? But if I'll put something like this, then it become a string.
yeah,
Yes.
this
Let
is
us
what I'm
check this. If you want
talking
to
about.
know the type, then you can understand. What is X is a string here. But let us check type here. Then you can understand. See, it is int.
Yeah, no, I get this, but
Yeah, when
what?
you give input, it takes input in the form of a string that needs to be converted. In that respect, your last sentence is correct.
Yeah, okay.
So if you want to get first letter, use 0 index here, right? If you want to get second letter, use 1 index. All these things you know. You want to get last index, len of that variable, -1. Okay. So all these things you know. I'll just skip quickly. If you want to start from right side, backward indexing, you can see -1 means the last character. -2 means second last character. So this thing also you are aware of. Okay, fractional value is not allowed in the list or anywhere in the for indexing purpose. So that never use that. Okay, if you have limited, yeah, a limited number of character, if you are trying to access beyond that number of character, then it will give you error index, a string index out of error. These are some of the error you are going to face. So I'm just skipping this. Here it is the reversing a string, and this one I was asking you a couple of times. This one we discussed so much on this. I have given some string. If I want to print them in the reverse order, so like that you can write. It is just starting from the last, going up to the length like beginning and decreasing -1 by 1. So this is another way of.
Sir, why can't we just put -1 over there? Oh, it is already put. Never mind. Never mind. No, I
Here.
meant no. So the start is -1, which is the last element.
Yeah. And this is the minus len -1 is the first element. See, you know the indexing, right? Backward indexing, forward indexing. You
Yeah.
you can play with the number, put in the that value here, and you can play with the position of the
Okay. Yeah. Yes.
characters. That's all.
Yeah.
You know this. Slicing thing also you are aware of. Like in the list we have learned slicing, right? You can
Yeah.
similar thing you can do here, a start, a stop, a step, and just apply whatever logic you know, you can apply. A start, always we need to remember a start, a stop, jump, or whatever you can, a step,
Step.
whatever you call it, right? So all
That's
these
not.
things you are aware of. I'm just skipping all this. It's just practicing same thing on a string. Whatever you have done in lists, those all will apply here. This is important, which we have seen couple of times. Like if I have some string written, I want to split that string into two parts. Then we can use either a split or we can use partition. Only difference between this partition and a split is, let us check. In a split, by default, it will split based on the space.
Yeah.
See here. S dot split, separator is none, maximum split is -1. If you don't give, see, it will right here. If you don't give anything separator, then it will take according to white space, and it will discard all the empty string. And you can also specify how many maximum split you can do. So if any function you know, you just go here in the help and know.
So how do you change the max split? What's the max split first of all?
How many split you want to make, something like this. Let's check this. I'll do this. And I need to comment others so that we can understand what's going on. Otherwise,
Oh, so max split characters like comma, question mark, dash, something like that.
I also don't know. Eventually, I never use max split. So max split
Okay.
2 I did. So one a split, two a split means first two a split it will do, rest of them it will combine together. That's great feature. Today I came to know.
Huh?
You get it? See,
I
let
don't
us
think
try. I'll tell you. Ravi Kumar is a
basketball player.
software engineer. Okay, this is a string. Okay, x
Okay.
equal to. What I will do, I will write x dot a split max a split equal to 3. What it will do means first string will be this one because on the space it is going to break. Second string will be Kumar,
So,
and
sir,
rest of
can you
the,
split
let
with
me
question?
complete this, Randeep, please let me complete this, otherwise again I have to repeat.
I'm not done, sir. It's making it confusing. Can you split with a question mark? Split with question mark.
Here
Yeah. No. Or anywhere. No, sir. This is splitting with.
a space. No, let us complete it with a space, then we'll show you. Like just
Oh,
we'll put here like separator equal to like this, then it will happen. But let me complete, otherwise Janya will be lost here.
Yes,
Janya,
sir.
did you get that? What
Yes, sir.
I'm
Yeah.
see here. So what I'm telling you, maximum split is 3. So
Mm-hmm.
one a split, two a split, three a split, right? But if I will not give max a split, okay? Then see how many characters, how many words we are getting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 words, right?
Yes.
This is what I was telling you. Now,
Okay.
now he was having question mark, right? So let us put some question mark here. So I'll do this question mark.
no, question mark, and also you have to assign max split.
That will also work. Like you have, how many question mark you have? Like 2, 3. Let us put some
No,
more.
no, 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 no. I don't think you get my thing. Okay. So remove the question marks in the string above.
Where?
Yeah,
I'll remove all.
remove all the question marks in there. It
Then
has to put
then
question
it
mark.
only one question mark. Then it will be only one string. Actually, it is a breaking here, so you are getting one empty string here. But
No, sir.
default.
I don't think
Yeah.
this. What I meant was, so when there's a string,
Mm-hmm.
so in there it says Ravi Kumar is a software engineer, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So max split equal to 2. That means it has to put a question mark after Ravi and after
No, it
Kumar.
will not put default anything. It will
No, that
search this one. See, I'll tell you. I just that's what you need to understand the concept. I'll tell you. Explain you again.
okay.
Okay. See, if you don't, I didn't supposed to write this. See, what is happening here? If you don't type anything, you give like this. What is happening by default? It is assuming something like this, a space. And this is what, if you read about it, you'll find this. See, separator is none. When separator is none means if you don't write sep equal to anything here, you don't write, by default, it will take none. And this means none is the default value, means by default, it will consider none. And it means a split according to the white space, and it will also discard any empty string which you are going to get from the result. Did you get my point? So because here it is a space, so wherever it will find a space, it will break the string. One a space, two a space, three a space, four a space, five a space, right?
Yeah.
Did you get that? So if you don't put question mark, it will not break.
No, but okay. Then in that case, my question is going to be, is there any function in string that can split the
Hmm.
string with question marks?
Yeah. But
Like
you
split.
should have some question mark, then it will split. Otherwise, how it will not? If it will find question mark, then it will split. This is what
Okay.
I want to say you. You should understand this. Should I repeat again or you got it?
I got it, but you didn't get my question. I'll repeat it.
You type here, you write here what is your question in there. Like you can use your pad and you can type your question here.
Pull up my tab then.
Yeah.
Continue explaining. Let me pull up my tab in a minute.
No, I think he's saying, is there like any other function which
Hmm.
automatically puts
Does
a
on the
question
question
mark
mark?
in between?
No. No, I don't know anything such. I'll develop something for you like that. We can define some function and that function will do that for you. You got it, my
So can you
point?
define and
You
put it
can
in the
define
Python?
something like, say, I'll tell you. Once we learn the function, we can do the question or split. Like this, we can define. I'll take some string here, a string one. And I will use eventually internally same thing what I said you. Just I'll put this one separator. Like this, I can do this. Okay. And then return.
So the meeting will end in 10
And
minutes.
then what will happen? I'll show you what you are asking. I can do this one for you. And this is what you are going to learn in the first function. Question underscore split. And just I'll pass that a string here. Eventually here one issue is there. Question split I need to pass like this. We have to pass. As of now, we'll pass like this. Okay.
So in that case, can you define every function or every operation we'll need in CCC and then we just
Yeah, yeah. On don't need man. They're not asking such thing. They're just asking some logical thing. That's all. You don't have to write much thing regarding loop. One or two loop is that's all. Function may not be function. You can practice a bit for help, but it's not
No,
compulsory.
no, sir. What I meant was if we wanna like find the distance, like the Manhattan distance and stuff like that, can we already write a function and put it in the Python library and then we
No,
can import it?
no.
Can we do
Whatever you have to write there itself.
that? So there's no importing?
No. Default import you can do like what is already defined, but if your custom library which you are going to build that you cannot import.
Okay.
You got it? See here, what you said I just defined for you. Like it's not exactly same, but kind of. I defined question as split. If it will find based on question, it will define. But eventually internally I'm using the same thing. You get my point? But
Okay, you'll have to
forget
teach me.
about it.
That's fine.
Yeah, we are going to learn that.
Okay.
So forget about that.
Okay, sir.
Now it's come to change or delete a string. See, in the list, you can delete some element, right? But here we cannot delete. So that's why what we have to do, uh, like we cannot change that you already know. I cannot change any part of this string. Another thing, if I want to delete something, we don't have to delete. We need to use slicing part of. So that is what it is happening here. It is taking 0, 1 here, putting some x here, and then it is taking from 3 to 5. So like this, we have to do some slicing operation and appending back. So 2 is replaced with the x here. So that kind of trick you have to apply. And this is what sometime I was telling you, like for maybe so for Pranavi or somebody.
What's that? Can you explain again?
Yes, sure. So what I'm telling you, like suppose that I want to delete x, then we cannot delete in the string, right? So in that case, we have to use slicing. Let me do this for you once again. What I said, I want to delete. I want to delete 2 and 3. Then I'll just write s equal to s of 2, s of 0, 1, 2. We have taken up to 2 and then 3, 4, 4 onward. Okay. And then print as. This is what I was telling you. Did you get this?
Okay.
So if you want to delete something, you have to play with the slicing. That's all. You cannot
Sir,
delete
I have a
anything.
question. I have a
Yeah,
question, sir.
yeah. Go ahead.
So instead of doing S is equal to in the bottom,
Mhm.
in the second line, can
Mhm.
you do like Y is equal to?
Yeah, why not? Then in that,
Okay.
sorry, I have to print S here. Yeah, you can do Y. We can put anything. Then it in that case, your string is not modified. You wanted to modify S, right? Because I want to delete this, it means I want to change this variable value. In this case, what is happening? S is unchanged, but Y is getting changed. Y
Okay, and Y
is,
is the copy of S, right?
but if I'll type here S, you'll get everything. So that's why we
Yeah.
are putting on the S there.
So if we
Okay.
like put s is equal to y again in the next line,
Yeah,
then
why
will
not?
be the
We
same.
can, we can do that. S
Okay.
equal
So
to Y.
this is a new thing too.
Yeah,
Okay.
see. Okay, great. Good questions, Randeep and Jani. Okay, so now here, something is called replace. Replace is predefined function. If you want to do the same thing what we did through slicing, we can do same thing using replace function. So it will do internally for you like this, what we are doing here. Okay, it will replace 2 with x. Okay, so this is what it is written here. Okay, next, what is that? It will not work. Delete operator will not work. You know this. Yeah, deleting whole string will work. Okay, deleting any variable you can try it. Any variable you have, you write delete and that variable name, that will be gone. That's why it is telling, because we have created here my string, but here we have deleted. But if I want to print again here, it will tell you my string is not defined because it is deleted here. So that delete, this del is global thing. It is applied so many places. Okay.
Yes.
It's
So we are left with 5 minutes. Let's see. Sorry, can you repeat? No, did you ask something, Randeep?
yes, sir. What's the replace thing?
Replace thing, whatever we have shown you there, no? Like you can, so suppose that I have created a string 1 equal to Ravi. I want to replace a with u. What I will write? I will write a string r1 dot replace, okay, a comma u. See, this is what I was telling you.
Oh, nice. This is pretty
Yeah.
good.
So what replace is doing, that you can do like this, what we have done here. The internal replace will do this job for you. So you don't have to worry.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now we have some more operations which you know most of them, but let us see once again. You can concat two string using plus, but if you want to repeat one string multiple times, just you can use multiply sign. And this is also you are quite aware of, like most of them, I guess. So here if you see 10 plus 50, 10, 50, hello plus 009, hello 009, hello 009, like this is addition, right? Like concat. This is called concating of the string, a string concatenation, right?
What's up with the star symbol?
Yeah, we are coming there. A star means it will repeat the that many times. So here some string a slash a star to like a slash is not required. Just you need to repeat a star. Slash is appearing here due to some reason.
Then what's that?
Let's see if it worked. Yeah, it worked. So now I'm left with 2 minutes. So it is just see arc x multiplied by 2 means it will repeat 2 times. 3 multiplied by 5, 5 times, 3 times. Add the multiplied by, like you can use left, right to left, all that doesn't matter. It is called commutative nature. Add the multiplied by 5, so 5 times add the, okay. So
So,
here, so like same thing what you have seen, these are the some practice of that.
so the element you put quotations around is the one that's going to be multiplied, right?
Yeah, right, you're right.
Oh.
Now it's coming to, if you want to iterate through a string means you want to check each of the character, then you have to use in operator like this for loop. So what it will do, it will take one letter at a time automatically as we do in the list. So it will take one letter at a time and that you can count how many times L is there in the hello. So it will tell you 3 times. These are iterating through L. Let us come uh, bind up here. This code I already explained you, but you can also try your own. This code I already explained you like for the list, but you can do same on the string here. Madam, I want to check Madam is a palindrome or not. So I did through this. So I guess I'm good for today. Let's meet tomorrow. Then we'll read about in, not in, and all. Okay. I already have uploaded this notebook to you. You please go through them
Yes.
and practice. Then I'll upload some questions. I already have uploaded some string questions
Yeah.
in
So you
the
don't have
list assignment. You can do that one.
Yeah.
Do that one. Start with that. Okay. Then we'll add tomorrow something.
Okay.
Okay. Then see you. Bye bye, guys.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you. Bye, sir.